safe space. Umunsi mwiza w'abagore muri abantu badanje. I love you so much, and I'm gonna sing a song that's especially dedicated to women. Nyange muhora guys, ari nzajya live indirimbo za these legendary songs from Rwanda. These classic sound, please. Okay, is the sound better now? Is the sound better now? Now it's good. Okay. Oh, I see you, Dumebi Clemmer. Thank you for being here throughout the whole. Masa dirimba ituro. Okay. We're doing English sound day, but we shall be doing different songs on different days. Today we are doing the driver's license and all those kinds. Okay, driver's license yaduteye umwaka. Rodrigo nuko atumva ikinyarwanda nyujahitse nyica, but ntabwo twongera kwikora. Reka turebe Adele, Someone Like You. All right, let's go with Adele, Someone Like You. Someone Like You by Adele. Ooh. Let's go. No ndirimbo kera najyaga nyikunda, ariko uyu munsi numva amagambo arimo nkumva arankomye. Mana yanjye. Loliwe by Zahara. May her soul keep resting in peace. Let's do Zahara, baby. Stay by Rihanna. Diamond by Rihanna. Let's start with Loliwe. Guys, mumbwire niba you think that I have to keep doing this live, because me, I love it. In case no one has told you, just know you're beautiful. Oh, thank you, Brushy. You're making me blush. Let me know in the comments if I have to keep doing this for you, because some heart tells me I have to, another heart tells me I don't have to. So let me know. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you for sending in the gifts. You look incredibly attractive. Thank you. Don't make me blush. Okay, I'm on live. Indirimbo yanjye nkunda. I'll sing it for you in a short while. Let's go. Now it seems Star in the Moon by Benson. I'm afraid I don't know that song. I'm sorry, Odin. Please tell me another one that I can sing for you. Ooh. Somebody's asking for a song that's called wait, there is the one that's asking for Stay by Rihanna. There is another one that's for Hello by Beyonce. My song Maria. Okay, before I proceed, let me go for a commercial break. Okay, so guys, I have a new song out called Amen. I hope you know it. If you don't know it, you're late. Navuze Kinyarwanda. I'm so sorry. People who follow me some of them don't understand Kinyarwanda nzaya mbivanga sibyo. Nari ndi kuvuga ngo mfite indirimbo nshyashya hanze yitwa Amen. Niba utayizi, please just leave my live right now because you're not even my fan. Okay. But if you know it, stay here because we're gonna sing it a cappella. But before I go singing it, ndashaka kubabwira ko dufite umukoro wo gushaka challenge yayo. So niba uri hano ukaba warakoze challenge, reka mbanze ngusobanurire. Ndashaka challenge yo muri forever, amen, amen, amen. Biriya bindi bintu byose muri gukora by'imbere, they are so unnecessary. Kandi biri kubatwara imbaraga z'ubusa. Uzatsinda, gutsinda challenge usobanuye coming up na easiest, fun and most famous challenge. Tuzahita tuyikorana ngewe. Nzaba nagarutse i Kigali tuyikorane, and then tuzahita tugira official challenge ya Amen. And then yeah, you will get the money, 150,000 random francs. So we're gonna do the song, and please, not only just the challenge though, niturangiza ino live, please go on my profile, ujye kuri profile yanjye, urahita ubona pinned sounds, ugende muri yo sound right now. If you're following me, go in that sound, ugende ushyiremo anything that you're grateful for, because this song is about being grateful no matter what situation you're in, because there is always something to be grateful for. So ugende muri Alvin guy. Yes, impamvu your challenge is not being accepted nukuri gukora ibintu biri unnecessary. Turashaka abantu ba coming up with a challenge. So I think you're doing some skits and all that, and that's not what we're looking for. So please, yeah, genda ushake challenge, turakora hariya muri Amen hagati. Nari nkiri kuvuga ngo mugende muri sound, put your picture, put your video, any video. You don't have to be singing to the song. The song is about being grateful. Put anything that you're grateful for. Genda muri sound, tugire as many sounds as we can, because ino ndirimbo irimo ubutumwa nifuza ko bugera ku bantu benshi. So wabimfashamo, twabifatikanyamo, and then we make the world a better place. So we're gonna sing Amen, and I hope you enjoy it. It goes like this. In everything that I get, in every steps I make every day, najua see myself, I know I have a reason to be thankful. Jana sio kama leo, life right now kwenye high tables, najua see myself, I know I have a reason to be grateful for those who got me in my journey. Thanks that you've been praying for me. This far can never be about me. Kugera hasi uko ari icyo ndusha abandi. For those who got me in my journey. Thanks that you've been praying for me. This far can never be about me. Undi uko ari icyo ndusha abandi. Forever, amen, 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 forever. Amen, 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 amen. Ooh, yeah. Actually, guys, there is something that you might have not realized. Hari ikintu mushobora kuba mutarumvise ko nabashimiye for that you've been praying for me. Nashimiye all my angels and everybody who likes me. Ndavuga ngo, for those who got me in my journey, thank you that you've been praying for me. This far can never be about me. Ubundi we suko hari icyo ndusha abandi. Mu Kinyarwanda biravuze ngo ku bantu bose bankunda cyangwa bansengeye, ndabashimira ko mwabanye nanjye, mwansengeye. Aho ngeze ahangaha ntago ari uko hari icyo ndusha abandi, ahubwo ni ukubera Imana kandi namwe you put your positive energy on me. So I'm thanking you, and you should also thank everybody who's prayed for you. And then the second verse, it goes like this. Blessings are all over, praises to the Most High. Now we're cruising rovers, burdens off my shoulders. 나나 침김보다 애자투만 나시마 니여 나번 down. God is my provider, God is my provider. For those who got me in my journey, thanks that you've been praying for me. This fight can never be about me. Kugera hasi ko hari icyo ndusha abandi. For those who got me in my journey, thanks that you've been praying for me. This fight can never be about me. Uwundi wese uko hari icyo ndusha abandi. Forever, amen, 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 amen. Oh yes.
Kiruirwa